Alright, we are taping. And we're just gonna what? We're just gonna casually walk back like we did?
Yeah, walk back to the woods there. Watch it go off and then walk back.
Alright, let me light a cigarette so I can be calm. I gotta sit here and watch this though, alright?
But that's what I'm saying, we walk back to the tree line and watch.
Not enough time. I don't want to be in the lake. Oh shit. That was dope, that was dope. 1 minute and some odd seconds. Yeah. I knew we should have did that one earlier.
I knew it would be nice. I didn't want the noise. I didn't know if it was like boom. If I knew it was that, I would have just lighted it off in my backyard.